Hi friends, and welcome back to Trini Kids TV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now, let's get started with our circle time for today by singing our very own good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now, we all know today is Friday, the very last day of our school week, and we're gonna have lots of fun. Today, we have a delicious and exciting recipe for our Cooking Friday activity. But let's wait a little bit to find out what it is. Now, friends, let's sing the 7-day song and say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good. Now, let's all sing the 7-day song. Can you sing with me? Ready? Let's go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful. And those are our days of the week. Now, friends, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's sing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, friends, it's a very windy day today. But that's okay because we are going to be cooking, and that's an activity that we do inside. Or we can even do it outside, it depends. Now, friends, let's find out about our color of the day today. Well, our color of the day today is the color brown. Yes, brown. And you'll see why a little later. Very good. Now, let's find out about the shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is a circle. Yes, a circle is nice and round. There are no sides, there are no corners. It's just a circle. Yes, kind of like the shape of the sun. Now, friends, what's our number of the day today? Our number of the day today is the number 4. Let's count to 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, my friends. That was good counting. Now, let's find out about the letter of the day today. Let's call our letter of the day. Letter of the day. Where are you? Ah, there it is. Here's our letter of the day, friends.
Our letter of the day is the letter T. T makes the sound T, T, like table. T for table. T for tomato. And T for television. T.
Yes, did we learn some awesome words with our letter of the day today? Wonderful. Now, let's find out about our area of the day. And to do that, we need to jump in our boat or maybe take a plane and sail or fly to our area of the day. Take a look, friends.
Our area of the day is Toco. Toco is on the northeastern side of Trinidad. It has lovely beaches and lots of wonderful places to visit, like the Toco Folk Museum. where you can learn lots about Tobago. There's also the Galileo Point and lots more.
Beautiful! We have some wonderful areas of the day, right? Now friends, let's go into our cooking lesson for today. Today we are going to be making some garbage pudding. It sounds crazy, but it's delicious. We are going to make some delicious chocolate pudding. Here are some of the things you would need to make a wonderful chocolate pudding. Now get yourself together and let's get ready to make it. Now remember friends, if you don't have these things right now, you can make it later. Watch this video again and make it. Or you can draw a wonderful picture of your version of our garbage chocolatey pudding. So enjoy our cooking activity. Alright friends, for this recipe, here's the simple way you can make a pudding. If you have your pudding mix, you can go ahead and make that. If you don't, you can follow along with this recipe. Now what you would need is some cocoa powder, cornstarch, salt and sugar. So what I'm going to do is measure out my cocoa powder. I'm using 2 tablespoons. One. 2 tablespoons of your cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of your cornstarch, 1, 2. Here we go. We're going to just add a little dash of salt. Now what you can do is just whisk this together. Right, and of course you're trying to get out all the lumps. Once you do that, you can add your sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that in. And then you're going to add your milk. Alright, I am using a mixture of coconut milk and oat milk. Now to my mixture, I'm going to add a cup of my milk, whatever milk you decide to use. So I'm going to put it in bit by bit. So this is half a cup here. Then just stir that in. And of course you can let your children help with this part of the activity. Right? Whisk it nicely so to get out all the lumps. Add another half cup there. And there you go. Once your lumps are all gone, you're ready to take this to the stove. Now you can do this and allow your children to mix up until this point, and then this part you will do on your own. So you're going to go over medium heat and just let this cook until it thickens. I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are. We've got a lovely, rich, creamy pudding here. Look at that, it's thick and nice. All you need to do with this is put it in your bowl, allow it to cool down. You could cool it in the fridge and then you can enjoy it a little later. Right, so here is our finished pudding, and let me tell you, it is simply delicious. Look at that. It's cooled down, so it's kind of gloopy to the touch. It's delicious. So enjoy your pudding, friends. Alright friends, I hope you made some delicious garbage pudding or chocolate pudding and had lots of fun. And I hope you enjoy your weekend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, share this video with a friend. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.